Imagine customizing AI classifiers in under 5 minutes or having ChatGPT reason through your own sketches. Today, we've got the hottest AI news that'll blow your mind. Mistral just launched Classifier Factory, a drag-and-drop, no-code platform that spins up custom AI classifiers in less time than your morning coffee run. You pick from pre-trained backbones, connect your data sources with a visual pipeline, and hit deploy to get a cloud-hosted endpoint ready for spam filters, moderation tools, or any binary decision task you dream up. Goodfire closed a $50 million Series A to level up mechanistic interpretability, letting developers peer inside neural circuits to understand exactly why a model made its choices. With expertise in sparse activation events, they're building tools to steer, diagnose, and tame both open-source and proprietary giants alike. OpenAI's O3 and O4 mini models now tackle visual problems like a pro. Feeding them sketches, charts, or whiteboard scribbles lets you watch them zoom, rotate, and annotate images step by step, unlocking true multimodal reasoning for everything from design critique to math proofs. A new line art colorization framework uses a broad reference attention mechanism to preserve nail-fine stroke details while infusing your comics with vibrant hues. It blends long context cues from reference galleries, delivering polished illustrations in seconds rather than hours. 3D Coca unifies vision language contrastive learning with captioning, mapping 3D scenes into rich embeddings and generating human-level descriptions. Think real-time scene analysis for our robotics navigation, or automatic 3D asset tagging, all from one sleek model. Judge LRM steps up as the impartial arbiter of AI, trained with reinforcement learning to outscore GPT-4 on grading essays, evaluating code quality, and even moderating online debates. These reasoning-focused LLMs act like unbiased juries, excelling at complex judgment tasks where nuance matters. DeepSpeed's Deep Compile now adds ahead-of-time compilation to distributed training, patching into PyTorch's Compile API to turbocharge bottleneck operations by up to tenfold. That means faster experiments, fewer GPU hours wasted, and a whole new era of efficient large-scale model training. Hugging Face just welcomed SIFT-50M, a 50 million example speech instruction dataset across 5 languages. Built from 14,000 hours of public audio and expert annotations, it equips speech-text LLMs to follow complex prompts and generate controllable vocal outputs with studio-grade precision. RepRE introduces a joint VE plus latent diffusion training scheme, using a representation alignment loss, stabilizing end-to-end training, and setting new state-of-the-art scores on ImageNet scale generation. Your next image-based art direction tool just got a serious upgrade. Meta dropped a treasure trove of open-source goodies: an image encoder for pixel-level understanding, a vision language model, a JEPA-based 3D object localizer, and raw byte transformer weights for BLT models, unlocking everything from low-level feature extraction to byte-level sequence modeling. Now you can spin up Cohere's enterprise language models on Hugging Face inference with a single click, thanks to direct hosting support. Enterprises of every size gain frictionless access to specialized endpoints without managing containers or scaling pipelines. YouTube's Dream Track has landed on Shorts and the Create app in the US, letting you generate and remix AI-powered instrumental backdrops in seconds. Layer beats, change moods, and add dynamic transitions to make your short-form videos pop. OpenAI Flex Processing rolls out a budget-friendly API tier that trades some speed and availability for steep cost savings, perfect for non-critical workloads, large-scale experimentation, and proof-of-concept hacks without breaking the bank. C2S scale models translate single-cell genomic data into plain English reports, turning raw molecular readouts into actionable insights for personalized medicine and drug discovery. It's like having a bioinformatician on call 24/7. Anthropic's Claude just leveled up with autonomous multi-step research, fetching sources, citing findings, and summarizing complex topics, and deep Google Workspace integration so it can pull context directly from your Drive, Docs, and sheets for fully contextualized assistance. If you found this rundown useful, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a breakthrough. Drop a comment below with your favorite development, and catch you in the next video.